Happy Monday to all of my Chic Babes and Chic Babies. Okay, so we have another unboxing. This is our last unboxing for today. It is by none other than Amazon Prime, y'all. Amazon. So I had to get another one because the one I had is done and the warranty has expired. So when you all are buying products, if you want to get a warranty on it, let's see, we got. Okay, so we have the Echo Pop. Yes, we have the Echo Pop, y'all. I thought that was so neat. Okay, Echo Pop. Let's get the scissors. Because I love having, I have an Echo in every room. I have an Echo show in the kitchen, and then the rest of the rooms has the Echo Dot. Has the Echo Dot. I love surround sound. So we're gonna unbox this. This is so cute. Now this was on, you can find this on Amazon, of course, and it was on sale for $19.99. You can't beat that. So when I see a sale like this, because this is normally $39.99, okay, so I got it for half the price. Okay, so, okay, so, you know Amazon, y'all, and this is so cute. This is cute. Look how it look, y'all. Look, that's cute, isn't it? I think that's cute. So it just has a new shape. Okay, I like it. I'm digging 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 it. So we're gonna see what all comes in the box, y'all. Okay, it has the cord, you know. And of course, some manuals. Okay, that's y'all. Let me tell y'all something. It's better be in English. Yeah. Okay, so it coming in English and Spanish. Okay. French and important information: how to care for your product. Just $19.99. I had to grab it. So what we're going to do is set this baby up. I have already just discarded the one that was no longer in any use. Okay, so I am so excited. Now I have surround sound because my home is my oasis. I have every single thing in my home. So see, my home is going to be comfortable. Yes, I'm not going to have to go out to have fun. I'm going to have it right here. Surround sound, my entertainment, my TV going, my internet going, my music going, my food going, my drink going. Yes, popping bottles. Yeah. I'm going to be putting in a new pool, new everything. Yes, but my home is my oasis. It sure is. Okay, so thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all please follow me on TikTok at Zion Israel Locks. That's ZIONISRAELLOCS. And then I'm on TikTok. I have 2 channels on TikTok. Well, 3, but 2 of them. I'm on 2 of them majorly. My first one of them is JA.CQUELYN4. And then for our brand of Chic Baby and Chic Fur Baby, it is Chic, CHIC underscore and AND, then underscore Fur Baby. Okay, FURBABY. And then on Pinterest, I'm at Jacqueline Dorinda Chick, the same as my YouTube. In Threads, y'all, it is so many social media apps. Seem like every single day it's a new something. Okay, Threads is the same as my IG, JA.CQUELYN4. Bye, babes.